How to book a Cessna Citation XLS. Very easy. Start by visiting the Aviapages Charter Aircraft Directory. In the search bar, type Cessna Citation XLS to instantly view available Cessna Citation XLS options. Use the filters to select the needed origin country for your itinerary. You can either enter the location directly or pick it on the map for pinpoint accuracy. Once you've found the best suited Cessna Citation XLS, simply go to its page. On the aircraft's page, you'll find the option to request a quote directly from the operator to secure tailored pricing and availability.